Hey guys, what's up? It's Jose here with Visualize LED at San Diego Harley Davidson. We're here with Angel, and she's gonna tell us a little bit about how they're utilizing the screen that we installed here back in 2018 and how they utilize it here for customer engagement at San Diego Harley Davidson.
We love the screen. Obviously, it's a huge presence here on our showroom. We utilize it to run a lot of our promotions, a lot of our advertisements. We work with a marketing partner called Moto TV that actually helps us pipe everything right onto that TV.
Awesome.
And it's the same stuff that plays on all of our TVs throughout the dealership. So we love that it stays nice and integrated and aligned. And as we evolve our media channels here at San Diego Harley Davidson, we look forward to putting more content up there.
I know you guys use it for events as well. Do you guys do fights or football games or?
Yeah, absolutely. One of our favorite things to do are Padres games. So when the Padre game is on and playing, we'll flip over to the local streaming channels, and it's actually a really great time for all of us here at the shop because then we don't miss any of our favorite games.
If you guys need a screen and want to see what this would look like in your venue, let us know. We can do a mock-up of what it could look like on your walls at your dealership and get you guys over a proposal, a quote, and see how we can work together on it.